Welcome back to Dad's Expensive Hobbies, the channel where we bring scale collectibles to life. Today we've got a real American classic sitting on the turntable, the 124 scale M2 Machines 1956 Ford F100 pickup truck. Just take a look at that deep metallic blue paint. It absolutely pops under the lights, giving this 56 Ford a sleek custom finish. The front end features that iconic chrome grille with the big V emblem sitting proud in the center, and those round headlights really capture that vintage truck style. Rolling along the sides, check out those massive chrome rims wrapped in white wall tires. That combo gives this F100 a perfect mix of old school and lowrider custom vibes. The stance sits low and mean, almost hugging the ground like it's ready for a show and shine. Moving toward the rear, the tailgate proudly spells out Ford in bold white lettering. Underneath, you've got a clean chrome rear bumper and a dual exhaust setup with polished tips that add a modern touch to this classic ride. The bed is simple but true to form, with detailed panel lines and wheel tubs tucked in nicely. Pop that hood and you'll see some serious detail. M2 gave this F100 a beautifully chromed out engine block with a blue air cleaner sitting on top. The metallic shine on the valve covers and headers really makes the motor stand out, giving collectors that extra level of realism. Up close, the door handles, mirrors, and trim all shine with that clean chrome finish. Even the taillights are painted with a glossy red, giving the rear end a sharp and authentic look. Every angle of this truck feels well crafted, making it a true standout in any collection. So whether you're a die-hard Ford fan, a custom truck enthusiast, or just a die-cast collector who appreciates fine details, this 1956 Ford F100 from M2 Machines is definitely one to add to your collection. That's going to wrap it up for today's showcase. But make sure you don't go too far, because next time here on Dad's Expensive Hobbies, we'll be diving into this legendary 1970 Dodge Charger from the Fast and Furious collection by Jada. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. If you enjoyed this video, I invite you to check out some of our other videos right here on Dad's Expensive Hobbies. So until next time, keep die casting and may God bless.